Intense integrity screening and additional resources, those commitments for members of the Proactive Investigation Units, PIUs, as the Jamaica Constabulary Force increases its focus on dismantling gangs and recovering illegal guns. The St. Catherine South Division reopened its rebranded Proactive Investigation Unit at the Greater Portmore Police Station on Friday. Krista Campbell has the details.
Jamaican police in full force to get the guns and gangs which contribute to most of the crimes across the country. And the Proactive Investigation Unit, PIU, is being rebranded to help get the job done, especially at the community level.
There's a time when we had street level crime. A young man with a knife or a gun will kill somebody. No crime is organized. So we have to manage the landscape as things change with them so we can be more effective.
If we have a very active, dedicated PIUs, then we will see a reduction in our murders. And not only murders, our street crime as well. Because what the PIUs will be doing in the main is to identify these street crimes, including gang activities, of course, and we will see a reduction.
In the St. Catherine South Police Division, a new office for the PIU, training, as well as additional staff and other resources.
At CTAC, we can only do so much and no more. We will take on the bigger challenges, the bigger gangs, but the smaller gangs that are in your communities, we expect you to take them on. And if you need help, guidance in terms of putting the case file together, the DPP offices there, we will assist you, to do the groundwork, and then we liaise with the Office of the Director of Public Prosecution.
Assistant Commissioner of Police in charge of the Counterterrorism and Organized Crime CTOC branch, Anthony McLaughlin, says allegations against some members of the PIU will also be addressed.
We are going to have all PIUs subject to integrity screening. Because as I just mentioned, that we have a lot of allegations about them, some of them. So we want to ensure that when the PIU goes out there to perform their duties, then people will see them, as a force for good, as I said.
And the unit has had recent successes to include the arrest and charge of 10 members of the Umbrella Gang, which operates in Newlands and Nagohead in Portmore, St. Catherine. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.